Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a locked Whirlpool top-load washer that won't turn on. Watch the video until the end to learn this and much more. The lock function in a Whirlpool washer prevents kids from opening the lid when you're not around. However, if it malfunctions and you cannot unlock or turn your machine on, here are some possible causes and how to resolve them. An unresponsive control panel. If your washer's control panel stops working, your machine can lock and refuse to turn on. In this case, hold down the start button for 5 seconds. When the panel is responsive, the lid will unlock. System failure. If the control panel hack doesn't work, the washer could be experiencing a system failure. Perform a reset by unplugging it from its power outlet for 1 minute and then plugging it back in. A control board malfunction. If the reset is unsuccessful, you may have a bad control board. Contact Whirlpool customer service for home care at whirlpool.com. The link is in the description. So there you have it. Follow these steps to fix a locked Whirlpool top-load washer that won't turn on. Thanks for watching. Till next time.